Hello everyone, it's Billy, and welcome to this new Systeme.io tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about the Systeme.io affiliate program. This is an incredible opportunity to earn up to 60% lifetime commissions on every sale. By the way, if you haven't signed up yet, don't forget to click the link in the description to register for free and get your own affiliate link. To take advantage of the Systeme.io affiliate program, here's what you need. Be registered for the affiliate program for free. I've put the link in the description of this video. That's it. Once you're registered, you'll have access to your affiliate dashboard with your personalized links ready to use. As soon as you sign up, you'll receive a unique link visible directly in your dashboard. When you're on your Systeme.io dashboard, click on the Affiliate Dashboard tab. You'll see a summary of the earnings generated over the last few days or the past month. You'll find your personalized link ready to share and start earning commissions. Here's the best part. It's a lifetime affiliate program. If someone clicks your link today but makes a purchase in 6 months or even a year, you'll still get credited. How does this work? Their email address gets associated with your affiliate ID as soon as they register. Even if they switch devices or click on other links, your referral remains valid. Exception: if the person makes a purchase from another user's affiliate checkout page, the credit will go to that user. Concrete example: you share a link with a contact who registers for free today. They buy a training course 6 months later from an email. You earn the commission. This is a robust and secure affiliate model. Promoting Systeme.io is super simple. Add your affiliate ID to any Systeme.io page. Copy and paste your unique affiliate link into your emails, ads, or social media posts. Recommendations: use a capture page to promote on social media or blogs. For email promotions, prioritize a direct sales page. When you start generating your first earnings through the affiliate program, here's how to set up your payments. Click on your profile at the top right and go to Settings, Affiliate Commission Payments. Choose your payment method, PayPal. Enter your associated email address. Bank transfer. Add your bank details after earning your first commission. Conditions: minimum payout amount is €30. Commissions must exceed 30 days to ensure no refunds have been requested. Payments are made on the 10th of each month. Do I need to be a customer to be an affiliate? No, registration is completely free. Can I use my own affiliate link? No, this is prohibited. You risk sanctions or even permanent account closure. How long does the cookie last? The cookie lasts 1 year, but the email address is linked to your affiliate ID for life. Now you know everything about the Systeme.io affiliate program. This is an exceptional opportunity to generate passive lifetime income. Sign up for free now using the link in the description and start sharing your affiliate links. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, activate the bell so you don't miss future tutorials.